Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the silent mode on your iPhone 17. So let's get started. Now there's two different ways you can do this. First one is using the actual action button right here. All you need to do is first in your setting, in action button, make sure that it is selected to silent mode. So once it's selected there, all you do is long press and hold, and that will activate silent mode. You can see a bell icon right here, and then you long press and hold again, and then it will turn off the silent mode. So that's one way. Now another way you can also do it is if you're using the action button for something else, you can actually go to your setting and then go over to sounds and haptics, and then silent mode right here. You can turn it on. You can see the bell icon, and then to turn it off, you just simply click on that. So those are different ways to turn on and off the silent mode on your iPhone 17. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.